Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make hibiscus ginger pepper tea. Make it a practice to drink a cup of this healthy hibiscus ginger tea in the morning for best results. This helps in weight loss and improve your digestion. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a saucepan. Into this add 2 cups of water. Keep the flame in medium throughout the process. Today I have taken a hibiscus flower. Remove the pistil and the stem. You can discard them. Separate the petals and clean wash them. When the water comes to a boil, add the petals. Let this boil for 2 minutes in medium flame. After 2 minutes, the water is nicely boiling. To this add 1 small piece of crushed ginger and 1/4 teaspoon of peppercorn. Let this again boil for 2 more minutes. The essence of the ingredients are nicely getting extracted. We are not going to add any sweetening ingredient in this tea today. If you want, you can add 1/2 teaspoon of palm sugar candy, but this hibiscus ginger pepper tea is going to taste good even without any sweetening ingredient. It's been 2 minutes now. The flavors of the ginger, pepper and the hibiscus has come together very well. Now off the flame and finally add a teaspoon of lemon juice. Let this rest for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, strain the hibiscus ginger pepper tea and serve it nice and hot. You can drink this in empty stomach in the morning for best results. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity. So do try this hibiscus ginger pepper tea recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.